Hi guys, now one of the brand icons in the world has returned. Maserati presents the new GranTurismo, which started 75 years ago with the Maserati A6 1500. Check the specifications in this video. The 2023 Maserati GranTurismo Coupe combines the signature high performance of a sports car with comfort suitable for long distances, both in versions with a powerful internal combustion engine and with the most innovative 100% electric solutions. Exterior design. From an aesthetic point of view, GranTurismo's design represents the ideal balance between beauty and functionality, with no strings attached. With unique and instantly recognizable lines, pure form fit to encompass best-in-class mechanics, emphasizing the purity of its form and its subtle design cues. The classic proportions of the brand's cars have been maintained, with the long bonnet and center body intersected by 4 fenders. Instead, the roofline drops dynamically to accentuate the curvature of the pillars that accentuate the iconic Trident logo. Developed in the Maserati Innovation Lab and manufactured at the Mirafiori Manufacturing Center in Turin, the GranTurismo is 100% made in Italy and epitomizes Italian luxury performance, a concept that is typical of all Maserati models. The new 2023 Maserati GranTurismo Coupe is equipped with the revolutionary Nettuno V6 engine, available in 2 versions. Modena version, with 490 horsepower 3.0-liter V6 Nettuno Twin Turbo. Trofeo version, high performance based on the same engine, upgraded to a maximum power of 550 horsepower. The 2023 Maserati GranTurismo Folgore adopts a 100% electric battery-based powertrain, 800-volt technology, and has been developed with state-of-the-art technical solutions derived from Formula E. Outstanding performance, made possible by 3 powerful 300 kilowatts permanent magnet motors. The battery has a nominal capacity of 92.5 kilowatt-hours and a discharge capacity of 560 kilowatts to continuously transmit about 760 horsepower to the wheels. The special arrangement and innovative battery layout result in a vehicle height holding of up to 1,353 millimeters without compromising on its sportiness. The shape of the battery pack, known as the T-bone, is part of Maserati's no-compromise approach and avoids placing the battery module under the seat, primarily moving it around the central tunnel and therefore greatly lowering the car's H-point.